In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Steam app on Android. If you've ever wanted an easy way to keep up with your PC game library, chat with friends, or secure your account on the go, the Steam app makes that simple. Let's walk through the entire process step by step so you can get it installed and ready to use in just a few minutes. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official place to safely download apps on Android. Once you're in the Play Store, tap the search bar at the very top of the screen. Type the word Steam and then look through the results. You're looking for the official Steam app by Valve Corporation. Checking the developer name is important because there are other apps with similar names like Steam Link, which is for streaming games, and you want the main Steam app for account management and the store. The official listing will clearly show Valve Corporation as the developer, along with familiar branding. When you found the correct app, tap the install button. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, so the download completes quickly. If the button says update instead of install, it means you've had the app before. Go ahead and update to the latest version for the best experience and security. The download size isn't huge, but it's a good idea to have a little free storage available. After the installation finishes, tap Open to launch the app right away. On the first screen, you'll see options to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Steam account, choose Sign In and enter your login details to connect your existing library and friends. If you're brand new to Steam, select the option to create an account and follow the on-screen prompts. The setup is straightforward and guides you through everything you need. Once you're in, you'll notice how much you can do from your phone. Browse and buy PC games directly from the store, manage your wish list, and check out deals. Chat with friends, see who's online, and respond to messages without opening your computer. You can also review your library, manage downloads remotely, and keep an eye on updates. Most importantly, the app includes Steam Guard, which adds an extra layer of protection to your account by verifying sign-ins. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded the Steam app on Android, opened it, and signed in or created your account. Enjoy exploring, stay secure with Steam Guard, and have fun managing your Steam world from your phone.